The India cricket team are scheduled to tour South Africa in December 2021 and January 2022 to play 3 tests and 3 one-day international matches. The test matches will form part of the 2021-2023 ICC World Test Championship. Ahead of the tour, Rohit Sharma was named as the captain of India's ODI squad, replacing Virat Kohli. In November 2021, Cricket South Africa confirmed that due to restrictions in Johannesburg, the third test had been moved from the Wanderers Stadium to the Newlands Cricket Ground. Due to a new variant of COVID-19 detected in southern Africa, a Board of Control for Cricket in India official stated that it would re-evaluating whether the series will be held once they get a detailed picture of the ground situation from Cricket South Africa. On 2 December 2021, India's Test captain Virat Kohli said that the team would have absolute clarity regarding the tour in a day or two or pretty soon. On 4 December 2021, both boards agreed to a new tour schedule, starting slightly later than originally planned. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.